I'm Trucker Linda, back for another semi-living video. This time I'm at home instead of on my truck. And with me I have our son Tony and our oldest granddaughter, Violet, who's 11. And today we are going to make some dill pickle soup. The first thing we're going to do is we've got a really big pot. Oh. Tony loves dill pickles, doesn't he, Violet? And we're going to turn it on to about medium to medium-high heat. And Violet is going to add 5½ cups of chicken broth. Good job.
Oh, wow,
Good
that
job.
was perfect.
Yep. All right. Tony is going to add 2 carrots that have been sliced up. Come on over here, buddy. Now be careful, the stove is on. Okay. And pot is here. There you go. Good job. All right. Violet is going to add 5 cups of diced potatoes. And then I'm going to add a ½ cup of margarine. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to let that come to a boil until the potatoes are tender. Alright, so while the potatoes are cooking, we're going to make a paste to add to it later. And in this paste, we're going to add, what is this?
All-purpose flour.
It's a ½ cup of all-purpose flour. And we've got a cup of sour cream. Here, let's turn that down where we can see. There we go, that's better. And we've got a ¼ cup of water. Yep, of water. We're done with that. All right, so now you're going to use this and you're going to whisk and get all that off of there and you're going to whisk it all up. It's going to be really thick and pasty. But there you go. Maybe if you use a metal whisk. Let's try it. Grab that small metal whisk. Is that better? Woo! Good job, Violet. Good job. Okay, so as soon as the potatoes are tender, we're going to add this to the pot. So our potatoes are almost done, but while they were finishing up, Violet and I today went online and decided to look up some stuff about pickles. And we found a website at cnn.com that tells us some pretty amazing facts about pickles that I'll post a link on the video, so if you wanted to go check out all the facts, we just picked out a few.
Okay.
So Tony's going to tell us our first fact.
Pickles have been around for 4,400 years.
Good job.
Oh,
And Violet, what do you got to say?
Cleopatra believed pickles made her more beautiful.
Oh, I know. Cleopatra, isn't that funny? So how do you think they made her more beautiful? If you were Cleopatra, would you put it on your eyes? Or would you take a bath in the juice? Or would you just eat pickles? You would take a bath?
I would
juice.
I would do all 3 of those. I'd take a bath, drink it, and eat all the
Well,
pickles.
you are actually a pickle nut, so
Oh.
I could see.
Yeah.
Tony probably would.
Yep.
All 3 of them?
No,
Yeah.
I actually did
And then
not
in
know that.
Berrien Springs, Michigan, they claim to be the Christmas pickle capital of the world. Every year in December, they have a parade that's led by the Dillmeister, and they toss, oh yeah, the Grand Dillmeister, and they toss what?
Pickles.
Fresh pickles to all the spectators.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd want a pickle thrown at me during a parade, though.
I don't know. I'd be one of those spectators with my hands like this. And would, here, I'm ready for some
Yeah,
pickles."
Tony would be like, give me a pickle!
Got him.
I think our soup is ready. Violet's going to show us how to test if the potatoes are done. And how do you do that?
By touching it.
Well, you actually just kind of cut it. See how that comes apart? Ooh.
If it comes
Now cut
apart
that one,
like
kind of cut that one in half.
It's ready.
Just hold
It's
your fork
ready
like
to
this.
rock and roll.
There you
if
go.
it comes apart.
Ah! So are they done?
Yeah.
They're very tender,
They're
aren't
ready
they?
to rock. If they come apart, they're ready to rock and roll.
Okay, so Tony says we are ready to rock and roll with some pickles and some pickle juice. Now that our potatoes are done, Tony is going to add our pickles. Pickles.
Ah, there we go.
Pickles, pickles. All right, we got a couple more in there.
Oh.
And we're going to let that continue to cook. Stir that up. All right, so now comes the fun part. I think our pot is big, but that's okay. All right, Tony, I'm going to have you back up. And can you stand over here? All right, Violet, you ready to do this? So now we're going to take the paste that we made with the flour and the sour cream and the water, and we're going to drop it in a pot with really big spoonfuls, and then we're going to whisk it with a wire whisk really, really vigorously, like really hard. So, do you want me to whisk or do you want to whisk?
I'll drop it.
Okay, you stand over here. All right, so do you want another spoon or are you going to drop it with your fingers? Scrape it off with your fingers. All right. Drop that sucker in there. Good job.
Wow.
Keep going. We're going to keep going.
You got my mouth and eyes are drooling and watering over here just from hearing
You want to
it.
come over here closer so you can smell it a little better, buddy? Come on up. No, Violet, you're okay. He can stand over here by me. Come here, bud. There you go. Stand right here. How's it smell? Does it smell pretty good?
Yeah, it does, man. I can't wait to dip into the truth.
I'm actually kind of mashing the potatoes at the same time to make them a little less lumpy in there. To make it more of a smoother soup, I guess, is what I mean by that. Does it smell good?
Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, it smells good. Man.
She's about to add some pickle juice, buddy.
Oh.
We're going to add some pickle juice.
I can't wait to
Okay,
get a nice
so now we're going to
bowl.
add the pickle juice. And how much pickle juice is this? Do you remember?
2 cups.
2 cups. Good job.
All right.
Which is a 46
5.
ounce jar. I know. I know. We almost put 5 cups in here. Go ahead. Dump that in there. And then we also have, you can just set that right there, baby. What else? So what's in here? Tell me again what's in here. Do you remember?
Salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and Old Bay.
So there's how many? There's 1 1/4 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, right? And there's
1/2.
a half a teaspoon of cayenne, and then just salt and black pepper to taste.
Of salt, half teaspoon
Yeah.
pepper.
I can't wait to give
But
this
on the half a
a
teaspoon
taste.
salt, pickle juice could be salty, and we had some salt in our potatoes.
Yep.
So you want to kind of
So
do
they
it to
wouldn't
taste.
brown.
All right, dump that sucker in there.
And you don't want to make it too strong, otherwise it'll ruin the flavor.
Tony, come over here and tell me if it smells like pickle soup yet. Be careful of the stove. Here's the pot. Does it smell like pickle soup?
Oh, yeah, it does.
So now we're just going to let this cook for about 5 more minutes.
Yeah.
So this is what our soup looks like. It does, doesn't it? I think it's all done. And Violet is going to ladle some up for us. All right. That does look good, doesn't it? All right, 1 for me, 1 for you, and 1 for Tony. So what'd you say, Tony?
I can't wait to dig into some of this soup and see what it's like.
Is it going to be good, do you think? Do you want to
Yeah.
smell it now that it's all done?
Yeah. Oh, man.
Oh, Smell. So maybe we should go sit down, right?
Yeah.
Let me get it where you can see it. With some dill and some fresh pickles. Is it beautiful, Violet? Does it smell good to you? Mm-hmm. Okay. So y'all ready to taste?
Yeah.
All right. All right. I'm not big on dill pickles, y'all. Seriously, I'm not. So I'm gonna taste off camera because I'm not sure I'll like it. But y'all tell me what you think.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's good.
You know what?
Delicious.
You know, I have to agree. It's really not bad.
I like it.
You want to try it? Truck driver Paul is standing right over there.
Oh, man.
He's going to try it too. So, Tony, what would you rate the soup as?
If I had to rate it between 1 and 10, I would give it a 12 because it is delicious.
He gives it a 12. This is like his second or third bowl. So, Violet,
It's my
how do you rate
second
it?
bowl.
If it was 1 through 10, it's 1,000.
Okay, well, I'm not big on dill pickles. I ate a little bit of it. It's not bad soup. I think if I liked dill pickles, I would like the soup a lot better. Or if you like dill pickles as much as Tony Baloney does here, right?
Yep.
He's been waiting for weeks to make this recipe.
Yep.
And Violet over there as well. Yeah, here, Violet, get yourself
I
in
can
there.
eat all the pickles in the world. And still
You
not
probably
have a
could.
stomachache.
Well, just because you love pickles so much, right? So, okay. So, do you want to say hi to your house parents?
Hi.
Not their names.
Hi, guys. I'm seeing some really good soup here. Can't wait for you to see the video.